Hi everyone, my name is Miss Harrold. I get to be the reading instructional coach, reading intervention instructional coach. So what we're going to do today to get to know each other better is to have a 6-word memoir. A memoir is a story about you, and to do it in only 6 words is kind of fun because you're very limited. It's not a lot of words that you have to write or come up with, but it takes a process. So in this first box, what you're going to do, and if you don't have this page, you can use a page in your notebook or just like a regular white piece of paper if that's what you have, or a whiteboard if that's what you're using today. And there are a bunch of questions up here to help you along. So like, where do you live? How many siblings do you have? What are some of your favorite things to do? Favorite places? So like for me, and I've already typed in some of these things for us. I'm from Texas, a small town called Longview. I have 2 brothers. I love coffee. Coffee is one of my favorite things. The flavor of lemon, like lemon cake, lemon pie, lemon cookies, lemon water. The beach. I like to hike in the mountains. I just like to go all kinds of places. And of course, the big life events for me was me getting married and having my children, making new friends and moving, changing schools, all those kind of things. Like really, I had to adjust to. And it's a good thing that I'm adventurous. So like some of your character traits you can put in here. So I'm very adventurous. I'm creative. I like to solve problems. I'm good at it. I'm also like, I think reading is very important. It's something that I don't always get a lot of time to do in my free time. So I really enjoy having that time. And for us in class, that's going to be something that we're going to do a lot of. But reading's always been very important to me. It's been an important skill to get me further in life. Being a coach is like the best thing. I get to work with so many different people, and I get to work with teachers and students and principals, and it's really something that I'm really happy with about who I am and the job I get to do. A person, you can also put people that are close to you that have really been important in your life. Like my grandma was very important to me. She passed away, that's why I say was. But she still is an important person in my life. And going to her house and being with her, and she's just such an integral part of my life and my personality that I wouldn't be the person I am without having her in my life. So then, out of all these things that I wrote about myself, I'm going to accidentally made this little table down here, but it's lucky because I needed to use it. So out of all these up here, I'm going to pick a few to put in another list. So I'm narrowing it down. So I narrow it down to like Longview, moving, mountain bike, or hiking mountains. That's funny, I said mountain biking because, well, I used to do that too. Problem solving, being adventurous, meeting new friends, and reading, because those are some things that have been very important to me in my life. And so now I'm going to make another box and try to put some of these new ideas, narrow it down even farther. So if I could pick just 3 or 4 or 5, I want to try to make like an idea. So for me, thinking about moving, thinking about the small town I came from, which a lot of people was like, it's kind of in the country, so they would call it the sticks. So let's see if I can come up with something like trading sticks for books. 1, 2, that's only 4 words. Okay, so trading sticks for a life of books. Oh wait, I have too many there. So I know if I was with y'all right now, y'all can help me out. But now I'm all by myself. Okay, so trading sticks for now. Oh, how about from sticks to life of books. There you go. That's kind of my journey. Like I came from a very small town, like out in the country, and I learned a whole lot, and that was all through a lot of books. Really, I have so many books. I love books too. I have so many, and I've given a lot to all the teachers around. So you probably see some of them on the shelves. So, and here's some other examples down here. So that was my quick example. So down here at the bottom of this page, you'll see some other examples. So we have desperate to explore yet stuck here. Laughed at all the wrong moments. I mean, I could have put that. Sometimes that happens. I like this. Always took every opportunity I got. That one's very. I like it. It's very practical. Fulfilled my awkwardness quota today. Yeah. I think awkward is a really, really great word. So, and Molly's is very short, and it's kind of like two statements, but I made captain, then enemies. And I know it's 5 words, but it's very succinct and kind of fits the formula. So, kind of like when we're writing haikus, if you've ever written a haiku, maybe if you have 1 or 2 words out, you can still stick with it and get the whole feeling of just telling a life story in just a few words. All right? So, try your hand at it and make it, when you're done, you've got your 6 words. You know, hopefully you've got some way to make it artsy so that we can like print it and put it up and make ourselves a little community wall or something like that. Keep it in your notebook even. It'll be great. This is a great place where you can get ideas for other things that you need to do. All right, so good luck to you. Have a great day.